Where do we stand in terms of global economy? There could be topics of national relation. There could be topic of international relation. So all these things we will see. So, but having said that, when we talk about soft skill, it's a combination of multiple factors. Basically, so we will look to do that. But first of all, while we are going through this class, there are 14 students in this class. We'll have one line of introduction. Some of you I know, some of you I don't know. You are doing the first class probably. Just one or two lines of interaction. If you are not comfortable in English, you can speak out in Hindi. There is no problem. Let's. So you will be mentioning your name. There would be it would be an ice breaking exercise in the session, because rather than, most of you know what is an ice breaking, like rather than in the competitive segment, we all have done our classes at some point of time over the periods of time, while taking the soft skill classes, while taking the corporate classes. I've understood that this thing has come to my notice, that first of all, when we love a subject, the attention to that subject automatically increases. And जब भी हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की बात करते हैं, যখনই আমরা অনলাইন ক্লাসের কথা বলি, when we talk about online sessions, many a times it happens, online meetings, and these are very boring sessions. This can become interesting when we communicate, when we participate in that. So let's start with Shrimoi. Shrimoi, you will talk about yourself, your highest qualification, your strengths, and one unique quality which you believe you have, which probably none of us possess. That may be funny, that may be out of the world, that may be weird also. We are not here to judge. We'll have different groups of exercises in an interesting manner. Let's start with Srimoi first. Yes, Srimoi.
Good evening, sir. This is Srimoi Chakraborty. I am from West Bengal and I am pursuing BSc Agriculture from Doon PG College of Agriculture, Science and Technology. Um, um, and one of my qualities, if I say it's singing, I think I'm a good singer and I can cook a bit.
Okay. So you can cook a bit. I mean, we all can cook a bit probably.
No,
So if all of
actually,
us,
I can't judge because my parents say that it's good, but some people are like, okay, kind of. So today only I cooked biryani and chicken rezala because we are celebrating Eid in our house today. So let's see how the result comes. We haven't tasted it yet.
okay, fair enough. Great. Welcome to the session, Srimoi. Anubrati. When you speak, if you guys are comfortable, you can just switch on your video only if you're comfortable, and you can just switch on your video, and can we can have a communication, like rather than having a teacher and mentor communication, we will have a communication as a team probably. And where I'm not the team leader, probably I'm the facilitator, where you can have interactions and we can have discussions, because the more we communicate, we can come across different I'm sure some of you must have heard about assessment centers. It's a corporate terminology which is being used in the training centers, where different games, corporate games are being played out, where a person learns how to communicate very nicely, and we can have different role playing also. Okay, Anubrati, if I'm audible to you, you can start.
Sir, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Anubrati. Go ahead. We all are
So,
hearing you.
so what should I start? I mean, there is some
Like
network
probably
issue,
some
I
of you
think.
joined late. When you would be asked to introduce, we'll give a brief introduction about you, regarding your strengths, what are your highest qualification, and where do you see yourself 5 years down the line. Acha, let us start with me. Okay? I mean, you might say that, sir, you are not giving your introduction, then why you are expecting us to introduce? My voice is nice and clear to everyone. I think I'm visible, and my screen is also visible. Siddhant, do give the inputs if it's entirely clear.
Yes, sir.
See, the objective of this session is to put you out of your shell. Okay? You understand what is out of your shell. We all have our inner fears. Okay? Soft skill, we all have some skills, and this is the softer part, and we have to express ourselves. My name is Shovik Mitra. You may call it Shovik, sir. I've been post my MBA in HR from ISWBM. I have been in working with certain corporate organizations for around 4 5 years. Teaching was always my cup of tea. I wouldn't say teaching was my cup of tea. I love to communicate. I mean, I always used to be punished in schools, colleges for speaking a lot. Okay. So I could ended up doing two things. I could have become a politician, no, or I could have become a teacher. So I became a teacher. Okay. So there's a saying in English: those who can't do anything they teach. Probably not true in this adage. And I do take interview classes and soft skill sessions, and I'm into competitive training and teaching for the last 5 6 years. So this is all about me. My strengths: can speak well, communicate well. Weaknesses: probably procrastination might be my weaknesses, might be organization ability, might be weaknesses. And I love to teach students till the point they don't understand. So that might be my strength. Okay, Anubrati, go ahead. देखो,
Yes,
पहली
sir.
बात है, अगर सबको अच्छी तरह बोलना आता तो हम लोग यहाँ पे होते नहीं. तो प्लीज डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट, whether you are speaking right English, wrong English, perfect English, accurate English, immaculate English. Don't get worried about that. Please speak, and then it's my responsibility to make you understand everyone, everything. Okay? And I hope the strength of the class will not decrease because I'm making you speak. Okay? Okay, yes. Anubrati.
Yes, sir. So my name is Anubrati Chatterjee. I've completed my post-graduation in the field of microbiology, and for 6 to 7 years I'm struggling in government service to get a government service, and 5 years down line I want to be an administrative officer, at least an administrative officer, not a clerical grade job or something. And my strength is I believe I'm a diligent one, and weakness maybe I'm highly positive. That sometimes can be poisonous for human being.
You're highly.
Positive.
Achha, what's the meaning of your name?
Sir, I don't know it is how to translate in English that. May I say it in Bengali?
No, let it be. Fair enough. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Shomudip. Shomudip, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead, Shomudip.
Sir? Am I audible, sir? Hello? Am I
Yeah,
audible?
you're audible. We can hear you
Yeah,
nice. You may
yeah. My
switch on
name
the video. There is no if you are not, there is not an issue. Yeah. Go ahead, Shomudip.
my name is Shomadip Jyoti. Yeah, I've done my MBA graduation from Xavier's College, Calcutta. Along with Siddhant, he was my classmate anyway. And and then I've done my MBA from SBU. And talking about presently I'm working with a German multinational company. The company is Keseboma GmbH, basically into metal processing and manufacturing. Then I'm taking care of entire East India and Bangladesh. Alongside talking about strengths and my weaknesses, I would say that some strength what I consider that I do possess is communication skills. As in communication, as in not speaking, but as in I would say negotiation skills. I believe I have negotiation skills start from 100 I start with 130. So that is the quality I do possess, and I know that I do possess because I am hardcore marketing leading the trade. So, and weakness if I talk about, I tend to elaborate things a lot. Sometimes when I get into something, I tend to elaborate the thing entirely. So sometimes it cannot be needed. Like "Rasne bhai pata hai mat kar, na mat kar." That is some quality that from my age itself. That. So that is one of my weaknesses because sometimes people may not find it very, may not like it.
Thank you, Shomudip. Thank you. Okay, Gaurav, you wish to introduce yourself?
Yeah, myself is Gaurav, and I have done my BTech in 2017. And actually, I had have that passion for engineering jobs. That's why I'm in working in a, MNC in Gurgaon right now. And my after BTech, I have also done PGDM in oil and gas sector. So I'm working on that sector only. And in my strength, you can say I have a good coordination, means communication skills with my team to organize all the uh, project work or input in my project or in my career things. And but my weakness is sometimes I get too much frustrated easily, and I think that I
Okay,
need to
Gaurav, where do you
improve.
see yourself 5 years down the line? Forget about 5 years down the line. Where do you see yourself 3 years down?
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to pursue MS in abroad. So I want to see myself as a to get a job in abroad. I can say it like that.
Fair enough. We wish you all the best for that. Final one. I mean, if we take everyone's introduction, might not. It takes will take some time. So I will ask Vishwajit Kumar, if I'm audible to you, Vishwajit. Since I didn't have any interaction with you, you joined through the class link. Would love to know about you. Vishwajit, are we connected? I think he's having a network issue. Anyways, guys, first of all, few fundamental things I would tell you that whenever we are, some of you know, some of you may not know, whenever we are introduction, giving an introduction or we are introducing about ourselves, Antora, Anuvrati, Auditro, Shayoni, Sagarika, Shrimoy, that we obviously should tell our name. And if your name has a unique name, which is not common name, you can talk about explaining about your name, right? What's the meaning of your name? What does it mean? And your academics, like your highest qualification, like Gaurav very nicely gave an idea. And if you're working, obviously, then you can talk about your organizations, your skill sets, and then your strength. This I'm talking about for an interview purpose. Obviously, when someone asks you what is your name, you don't give it so many introduction. Like, okay, so guys, basically, why do they ask about yourself in the introduction? The fundamental reason behind, if you don't know about yourself, अगर हम हमारे बारे में नहीं जानते हैं तो बाकी सब चीजों के बारे में जानना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Right, Antora? We first need to know about us, right? So knowing about ourselves is most important, and according to a theory in psychology, that which talks that we only know about 15 percentage about us. Rest 85 percentage we don't know about us. Many times it happens. Siddhant, you can start the recording. Rest 85 percentage we probably don't know about ourselves, right? That happens on most number of times. So it is very important when you're introducing yourself, that introduction should be very pleasing, that should be soothing to the ears, and so that we can make the person who is actually interacting with us, Shagorika, they feel very lively. Like, honestly, we cannot do whatever looks. A person who is gifted with his looks, he is gifted with looks. That is always pleasing, right? So, in this age, you may call, I do dare say in a recorded class also, people are racial by nature. People are more conventional with the ethnicity you belong to, the accent which you belong to. But it's more important to speak properly rather than the accent. See, we cannot have always the accent of North American people, right? And we should not also copy and imitate. So, just the information, the presentation of ideas, that is more than enough. So, let's just see the basics. What is soft skills? So these are skills, Rishi, abilities and traits. Traits का मतलब होता है characteristics that pertains to personality, attitude and behavior. This is no formal or technical knowledge like a BTech or BE or data science or something. So Shubhimal, Tanvita, Shuli, this is no rocket science. It's just a formal knowledge which we primarily talk about. Now, what industry wants? Obviously, when we talk about the soft skill part, number one, few things which we need to understand, that we are obviously preparing for either a job or a very good organizational work which we want to do, or we are actually trying to present ourselves to a client, right? So that is oral or written communication skill. Obviously, those who are doing the conventional classes, they will anyway do that, right? But only enroll for the soft skill sessions, you will need to understand that our grammatical skills needs to be very very good, because it also encompasses और क्या क्या चीज इसमें रहता है. ऑडित्रो शायोनी, শোনা যাচ্ছে তো? অডিত্র সায়নী, ঋতু,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ওকে. Any part you guys don't understand, you can ask me or write in the chat any point of time. Language is not a barrier. You may communicate in Bengali also, but I will choose to speak in English in the soft skill session. You may ask me, no problem. Now, critical thinking ability. This question are being asked in the IBPS PO examinations and in certain management interviews. Like these are called situational reaction questions. Suddenly, a situation is put forward to you, and you need to answer what could be that. We will also study that. That is based on a case study analysis, which many B schools give. I'm sure Shomudev, you have gone in your during your management days regarding the case study analysis, which we call it. Some of you must have studied in your BCom also, right? Which we call it as case study, right? And BCom, MCom के students को भी also, yeah, also known as crisis management skill. I would beg to differ. Crisis management, we call it disturbance handling skills, right? Which in by the terminology of Henry Mintzberg has given 10 managerial skills, right? Like operational skills, problem solving skill, negotiation skill, which Shomudeep we were talking about negotiation skills. Okay. Now, ability to work productively on a team. So we will divide this class into small classes of 7 to 8 students. Based on that, we will divide it into two teams. Let's say where we can have GDs and all, which many good organizations like SBI, PU and all, they take the candidates through their group discussion sessions because they check your prioritization abilities. Okay? So that is what we talk about the skills. Now, soft skills which are necessary for a successful career. Now, these are jargons, but honestly, soft skill is a combination of three factors: IQ, EQ, and SQ. Can any one of you tell me what is the full form of IQ, EQ, and SQ? IQ, most of you know, but can any one of
Emotional
you?
quotient, intelligence quotient, and IQ and etc.
IQ,
SQ.
EQ, and SQ. IQ is intelligence quotient. Yes.
Yeah.
So Mudeep, as you correctly told, EQ is,
emotional quotient.
and what is SQ?
SQ is I knew it. I'm just not getting the word right now.
See, some people call it spiritual quotient, but I would say it's a social quotient, your adjustability in the social skills. Now, IQ plus EQ is equals to EI. What is this? That is emotional intelligence. Most organizations, 97% of the organizations across the world, in a PO interview or any jobs, they check our EI, that is emotional intelligence. Okay. So that is required for getting a job, for maintenance, and for promotion, obviously. Now, primarily, why these are important? If we talk about number one, to handle interpersonal relation. Number two, to take appropriate decisions at the right time and at the right moment. Third one, Vishy, we would say as to communicate articulately and effectively. Okay, at the right moment, at the right time. It's easier said than done. Like it's always easier to preach and difficult to practice. मतलब ज्ञान देना क्लास में काफी आसान होता है, एग्जाम्स में, इंटरव्यूज में उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना ही डिफिकल्ट होता है. And fourth point is to have a good impression, an impact. What do I mean by this? Can any one of you tell me, Rishi, Ritu, what does this fourth point mean? What do you think? What does this fourth point mean? Feel free to communicate. Shagorika. I mean,
Sir, to have good impression means some kind of how we enter in cabin where we will be interviewed by the people, or how we pose our body, or we sit, and the gesture we put forward. This kind of things.
yes. And the impact, what does it mean? Ritu, impact means whenever we are speaking, whenever, Ritu, you want to say something, go ahead.
Yes, I can also add something that with good communication, we can show our proactiveness, and we can show our giving respect to the other value, other opinions, or these things. So some basic characteristics feature we can show, we can represent as ourselves. So I think that is a very vital thing to create one good image in the professional world or in any
Correct.
kind
And
of process.
primarily, Gaurav, absolutely correct. And primarily, what kind of impact it creates means whatever we are speaking, they don't know us. They haven't seen their degrees. Taito, Chagodika. Yes, Shomudip, you want to add on to something?
talking about impact, like, मैं अगर हिंदी में बोलूँ,
Shomudip, your voice is breaking.
hello, now am I audible,
Yeah.
sir?
Now it's audible.
Impact मतलब is the like, impact as in it's make the person in the receiving end understand what I actually intend to say. মানে আমার যেটা মানে যিনি রয়েছেন ইম্প্যাক্ট মানে উনি কতটা আমি কিছু একটা বললাম, যে কোনো ভাষায় বলতে পারি, বাংলা ভাষায় বলতে পারি, হিন্দি ভাষায় বলতে পারি, আরবিক, স্প্যানিশ, জার্মান, যে কোনো ভাষায়। তো সেটা রিসিভিং এন্ডে যেই ভদ্রলোকের সাথে আমি কথা বলছি তিনি কতটা বুঝলেন, এবং আমি যেটা এক্স্যাক্টলি মিন করছি সেইটাই উনি বুঝলেন কিনা, মানে দেন দ্য পারপাস ইজ সার্ভড। সো আই কনসিডার দ্যাট টু বি দ্য রিয়েল ইম্প্যাক্ট। দ্য ভদ্রলোককে আমি বললাম রাম, উনি বুঝলেন শ্যাম, তো মাই negotiation or conversation got complete.
Correct.
Impact meant like in the US Army they say incoming and impact. When the
Correct.
enemy is firing at them, incoming, and then what's the impact? That is the actual meaning of the word impact. The saying.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's not about how well we speak English. It's about, see, at most of the times, we have a common misconception that we have to remember a very, very good vocabulary. We have to remember, like those of you who are preparing for competitive examinations, you must have seen that we have to remember quite a good number of vocabs which comes in the examination. But when you are speaking, it should be simple, it should be sweet. For example, instead of saying that it was a good presentation, people can also say it was a good interpretation, your representation was excellent. So all these things are not required. You can speak very nice, yet you can speak the simplistic words. So won't have to be a very, very good speaker. Just usage of the words is important. That is what Shomodip also meant. Correct. Now, communication can be of three types basically: verbal, non-verbal, and written communication. Non-verbal communication creates a very, very big impact. Like Rishi, as you were trying to say, जैसा कि आप बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, how we sit, how we interpret, what our body language, and etc. etc. So you can see articulation, language, fluency, accent, and public speaking. These are the communication part. Now, different components of communication, which I was actually talking about. Yes, Shomodip's voice is breaking. That's fine. Now, all of you try to understand this PPT. Okay, this particular slide. Antora, শোনা যাচ্ছে পরিষ্কার?
Yes, sir.
Somebody has joined by his phone number. I request him to join by his original name. 9485101110. Please join by your original name, else I have to put you into the waiting room. Now, every human being has to essentially and effectively communicate with others. Effective communication, whenever we talk about what is effective communication, this is the hallmark of one's education. Now, oral, written, and non-verbal. I will give you a very practical example regarding this vaccination drive. Right. I'm just putting you in the waiting room. Somebody has joined by your phone number. Please join by your original name, else I won't be able to identify. Now, regarding this vaccination, we all have heard that Covishield can be delayed by 12 weeks, but there was no communication. It was a communication gap. Suddenly, so many people who were actually waiting for their second dose, they were found wanting and they were found waiting, right? Now, it's not that I'm blaming anyone or I'm not blaming anyone. I'm saying that there was a communication gap. Just a perfect example. Had this been a clear communication, people would have easily understood. Because it has been said कि इसको stretch किया जा सकता है 12 हफ्ते तक, but it has not been said that vaccination will not be provided since it will be 12 weeks. You must have seen in the news channels and all. It has happened in multiple states, not only in West Bengal, but also in other states. So that is a perfect example of a communication gap. In most of the organizations, most of the families, the fights and the disputes happen because of communication gap की वजह से. ठीक है? So protect a human being. Every human being has to essentially and effectively communicate with others. Now see oral, written, and non-verbal. Non-verbal is something which is challenging nowadays, and more so challenging when we are actually doing online class. where most of us do not switch on the video, or else you find that tough to switch on the video. But when going forward in the classes, we will probably need to switch on the video sometimes also, so that we can reduce the communication gap. Like I can see Gaurav sitting in front of the mountains and all. Right. Now, non-verbal communication, when we talk about audiences, awareness, personal presentation, and body language. Oral, that is your critical listening. Can any one of you tell me, uh, apart from Shomodeep, what is critical listening? Siddhant, Anubrati, Ritu, feel free. You
Sir,
can answer in Bengali also, no problem.
using logic, reasoning, past experiences, comparison tools, and different kind of this analytical tools to properly uh, understand something and then come to an analysis or a conclusion about it. A
Okay.
scientific study, basically.
Okay. Shrimoy, what is critical listening? What is active
Sir,
listening? What is passive listening? First tell me. Come on, Shobai Jano, you must have read it, heard it. What is active listening? What is passive listening? First you tell.
Active listening
Yes.
is
no,
Shrimoy, go ahead.
sir, no idea.
Anubrati, Oritro, Gaurav, Rishi, Ritu. Ritu, you want to try what is active listening and passive listening?
Sir,
Sagarika?
sir,
Bolo,
active
bolo.
listening means listening attentively, or passive means listening randomly, like that.
Passive is you are just listening for the sake of listening. You are mentally there, not physically there. Rather, sorry, you're physically there, not mentally there, which is in most occasions we are there on most of the classes. I will tell you the experience of taking classes university. 150 students join the class. Surely, I'm sure you will agree, since she is also the student of university. Sometimes it happens that people are there in the class. Some of them might not have connected to the audio, but they have joined the class. But as soon as we share the attendance link, just before the class is going to end, suddenly they become active, and you will see that they have given the attendance. I'm sure you also have done during your academic days, but unfortunately, we did not have the luxury because we did not complete our graduation and post graduation in online. Rather, I believe we were lucky that we had offline classes. We did learn something. Having said that, it's not that we are not going to learn anything in online class. Depends on the audience, depends on the mentor. है ना? So that is active and passive. Critical listening is listening with attention and listening the fine techniques and the inner meaning of particular words or the speech which is being spoken at a certain point of time. That is critical listening. সাগরিকা শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
so we can say it's
Yes, sir.
listening and brainstorming together.
Like sometimes if somebody is asked what is your hobby, it's a very random question asked in the examination, in all the interviews on earth. Somebody says that my hobby is, let's say, watching movies, right? Now obviously the interviewer listens that his hobby is watching movies. Now obviously the next question is what kind of movies he loves to watch. Now randomly he ends up saying that horror movies. Might be he never loves to watch horror movies, right? You have to understand why is the interviewer thinking about asking this question at that point of time. Because whatever questions is being asked at that point of time, let somebody's hobby is singing. I'm sure there could be two reasons. एक उसको गाना गाने के लिए बोला जा सकता है. दूसरा, if a person is, the hobby is singing, that means that person loves to entertain others, right? Or that person's hobby is, that person has patience as his strength. If somebody says his hobby is singing, we cannot say that that person does not have the patience, because singing requires a lot of hobby. For example, gardening requires a lot of patience. तो क्रिटिकल लिसनिंग तीन चीजों पे डिपेंड करता है. एक, योर पास्ट हैबिट्स. दूसरा, what you are hearing and how you're interpreting. Third, how you're answering. So always remember, in the interviews, whenever a question is being asked, take some 6-7 seconds to answer. We most of the times end up speaking very fast before the question ends. I would tell you, during my earlier days I had this issue, this problem. because I was good with communication. Whenever people asked question, I was eager to answer. There, they are not checking how good you can speak. There, they are checking your attitude behind speaking that particular language or particular word. That is what it is being checked in most HR interviews. So critical listening, I think, is clear. Now, this is just a small snippet of good communication. So these are the type, these are the particular parameters or pillars. I hope I have been able to make you understand certain bits and pieces. Just an introductory session, so I won't be going to the task together directly today, but I will make you do one task anyway. Shayoni বোঝা যাচ্ছে তো? বিমল, সাগরিকা,
Yes, sir.
ঋতু?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So coordination, accuracy, information, confirmation, and timeliness means, obviously, it's self-explanatory. A wrong message can be dangerous, can be catastrophic. Information, who needs to know what, means what we need to communicate. Confirmation and timeliness. This is something that is self-explanatory most of the times. Now, the ability, what I'm actually focusing on speaking, the ability to speak fluently using the right word in the right order is basically a good communication. It might include, well, all said and done, when a person has a good vocabulary, like on any day, Shashi Tharoor will speak better than Rahul Gandhi, with due respect to both the politicians, right? Now, that does not mean that Rahul Gandhi is not a good communicator. But again, a person who can have a good armory of words, he normally speaks well. So, message using appropriate vocabulary and syntax.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
If
sure.
you allow. I will say in Hindi because बात ऐसा है सर, जैसे कि आपने अभी बोला सर, जस्ट मेरे को एक रफली जानना है मेरे को ये बात कि सर, जैसे कि अभी आपने एग्जांपल जो दिया, जो मेरे को एक्चुअल में जानना, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रीजन आई एम जॉइनिंग द क्लास, वो है कि सर, जैसे कि आपने अभी पॉलिटिशियंस का एक एग्जांपल,
Shomadip, your voice is breaking.
Shomadip, remove
Hello?
the headphone and talk.
actually I can't do that, bro, because hello,
Yeah, yeah.
now am I audible?
Hmm.
हाँ.
Now, first
So,
of all, before you ask, I hope I have not hurted your sentiments by any manner. I mean, with due respect, just an arbitrary example.
Not an issue at all, sir. We're not sitting in a
Go ahead.
sociology class. I do
Go ahead.
understand that, sir.
Go ahead.
To be taken under consideration. I'm not getting into that. No, sir, just about personality I'm talking. Like, देखिए सर, जैसे अभी आपने कहा, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. पूछिए आप, पूछिए.
तो अभी जैसे कि सर, अगर आप कम्युनिकेशन की बात बोले, पर्सनालिटी या लैंग्वेज को सर आप कैसे कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं? जैसे कि अगर आप नरेंद्र मोदी जी को देखेंगे, he rarely speaks in English in front of the crowd.
It's not about vocabulary. It's about which language you are speaking.
I do understand, sir, but the question lies behind this is कि जो पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, क्या आप अभी एक पॉइंट बोले थे सर कि जब आप कॉलेज में इंटरव्यू में थे, कॉलेज में थे, when you used to take HR interviews yourself, तो ऐसा होता है कि जो हमको बोलना है, अगर हमारा कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा है, तो एक अर्ज रहती है कि हमको ज्यादा जल्दी बोलना है और rather than listen to the question. So how can we पर्सनैलिटी के साथ कम्युनिकेशन को कैसे कोरिलेट करें और क्लब करें, यही मेरा सवाल है.
Okay.
मतलब मान लीजिए मेरा इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा, मेरे पर्सनैलिटी के साथ, तो या फिर मेरा पर्सनैलिटी बहुत अच्छी, लेकिन मैं इंग्लिश हो, हिंदी हो, कोई भी भाषा में बोलूं, पर्सनैलिटी और कम्युनिकेशन को एक साथ कैसे क्लब करूंगा ताकि एज अ पैकेज आई कैन प्रेजेंट माइसेल्फ.
ओके, काफी सही सवाल है आपका. मतलब हम लोग पर्सनालिटी से कुछ देर के लिए दूर चले जाते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे कि आपने सही एग्जाम्पल दिया श्री नरेंद्र दामोदर दास भाई मोदी जी का. बात ये नहीं कि हम अंग्रेजी माध्यम का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं या हिंदी माध्यम का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं या वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेज के माध्यम के प्रयोग कर रहे हैं. लाइक पीपल इन द साउथ, दे प्रेफर टू स्पीक इन तमिल. आई हैव स्टेड इन चेन्नई फॉर 3-4 years. Even if they know good English, they prefer to communicate in their vernacular language, Tamil. I mean, if you do not know Tamil and you're in Tamil Nadu, then you may be called a North Indian. They call it people North Indian. If you're West Bengal is in East India, but still
like
they call it
intruder itself. Yeah.
Right. तो आप देखोगे नरेंद्र मोदी जी जब अपने किसी भी चीज का वर्णन करते हैं, तो एक चीज जैसे मैंने कहा वोकैबुलरी, मैंने इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के लिए सिर्फ नहीं कहा, आई टॉक्ड अबाउट द वोकैबुलरी इन ऑल द लैंग्वेज. शब्दकोश के ऊपर हमें महिमता के ऊपर काफी जोर देना चाहिए. I will choose to be bilingual in this communication. There are subtle differences in certain language. I got your point, Shomadip. I will answer both of them. There are subtle differences between certain words. For example, I may be harsh, I may be rude, I may be critical. But there's a difference between being harsh, being rude, and being critical. Critical means objective analysis of both the things. Okay, number one. Number two, your question is that you have a good communication skill. How can I combine communication with personality? Basically, if you see the entire world, there are 800 crore population roughly. Okay, let's say. Now, this is being basically divided into 16 personality traits like introvert versus extrovert, judgmental versus perceiving, emotional versus pragmatic. That obviously I will discuss in my few next sessions. So when a person is introvert by himself, maybe he can communicate very well. Like I will not name a few students, there are present in this class. If they're asked to write an essay or write a paragraph, they would write very nicely. But they were asked to speak in front of 10 students, थोड़ा सा मन में एक डर रहेगा, right? Because you are introvert by yourself, right? On most occasions, you will see most good politicians are good speakers. With due respect to all politicians across the world, all of you will agree, yes or no? Rishi, Ritu, Sagarika. Most good politicians are good speakers, and most good sports persons they end up becoming good speakers because they speak at the end of the day. I will give the example of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was not a very good speaker at the beginning of his cricketing career, but he kept on winning man of the match awards and he kept on speaking. And slowly, inshallah, boys played well, as Pakistani cricketers say. He also used to say in the beginning, he didn't used to say inshallah, but he used to like fumble. Going forward, his communication improved drastically, and that was also reflected in his personality. It's like we don't have to change our personality trait. Shomodip, are you getting my point? We cannot
Yes,
change
sir.
our trait because way we are born and how we have been for the last 22, 25 years, 28 years, 30 years, that cannot be changed in the 3 months. And no one is asking to change. It's like we have to come out of a shell. For you, communication might come normally, but for many students, many candidates, many persons, it is first coming out of shell. Like Saurabh Ganguly was always an efficient communicator because he was again a Xaverian and he had a very good academic background. Sachin was not a very good communicator, but slowly he started coming out of shell, and that came to him naturally because he had a public appearance. We don't have a public appearance. We are not celebrities, so we don't interact with people, but we can interact here or we can interact wherever we can get a platform in social networking sites and all instead of communicating in vernacular language. See, modern day English is the most spoken language after Chinese Mandarin in the entire world, if we talk about. So that is why the importance of English. See, Narendra Modi doesn't hardly does communicate in English, but in an interview, I cannot give this example. Can I give that honestly, Shomudi? That I would not speak in English because our honorable Prime Minister doesn't, and he's a successful politician. He comes in the Forbes magazine top 50.
Absolutely not, sir. I got absolutely not, sir. Absolutely, you're right. Absolutely.
So भाष एक problem जो शोमोदीप ने बताया, that is also true. I mean, most occasions we cannot just be a good communicator just by speaking English. Hindi maybe even if you're communicating Bengali, I would not say vernacular language because very few interviews they take interviews in Bengali apart from RRB and all. So either you have to be a very good communicator in Hindi or you have to be a very good communicator in English. But Hindi में भी शब्दकोश की कमी हमारे पास है. Rishi, you will agree to this,
Sir,
right?
actually,
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
Yes, Sumati.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ অন্তরা বলো।
স্যার বলছি যে আমাদের যে এসবিআই পিওতে গ্রুপ ডিসকাশন হয় এবং আইবিপিএস পিওর ভাইভাতে আমাদের কি মানে মানে ইংলিশেই পুরো মানে ইন্টারভিউটা দিতে হবে, মানে এটা কি ম্যান্ডেটরি? মানে যদি ব্যাপারটা আমাদের একটু বলেন, মানে আমি তো কোনোদিনও ওই অব্দি যাইনি, তাই আমি কিছুই জানি না ওই বিষয়ে। আপনি যদি মানে কোনো সময় করে যদি আমাদেরকে একটু বলেন।
Okay, Antara, see, IBPS and SBI, when they recruit, even I will take the example of WBCS also, but first I will choose to talk about IBPS and SBI. এটা যেহেতু national examination across the country, there are postings. So the ones who cannot communicate in English, they are given an option to communicate in Hindi. Hindi is not our national language under constitution, but it is one of the official languages. So Bengali communication is not very much encouraged in IBPS PO interviews and SBI interview, and rightly so. Even WBCS, you can speak in Bengali, but when you are going to become an administrator, like Anuvriti, you gave an example, you want to become an administrator. So the administrator's language on most occasions it's either English. Even WBCS, it can be Hindi, but it's mostly English and Hindi. So you have to be very good with Hindi, or you could be normal with English. So that is why this thing happened. And what you told Shomodip regarding personality, I strongly agree. But personality cannot be changed suddenly.
Sir,
It
that
can.
back to the point. What my question was, मेरे को जो आप सवाल था তা আমি আপনাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছিলাম যে দেখুন भाषा लाइक अंतरा जी अब भी सवाल पूछे कि ये हम क्या नहीं बोल सकते, तो पर्सनालिटी मान लीजिए अगर अंतरा जी बंगाली में बात करेंगे, ठीक है, तो जी का जो रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, ठीक है, और एनीवे उसके बारे में हम बात नहीं सर, आई एम बहुत सारे सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ सर, सॉरी सर, इतना सवाल मेरे को नहीं पूछने चाहिए, लेकिन फर्स्ट क्लास में need to some get some doubts cleared.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
तो सर ये लैंग्वेज तो एक माध्यम होता है बात करने, किसी भाषा में बात करें, ये बात करें इंग्लिश में बात करें, हमारे देश में we have been ruled by the British Empire for 200 years, and you can see that if you cannot speak good English, you are considered a barbarian. Simple. Our country is very much prevalent. In a country like India, if you cannot speak good English, you are considered nothing than a barbarian, a peasant. अंग्रेजी नहीं आता, साइड में जाओ, क्या पता बताया ठीक है, no one will ask you that.
Sir, আমি
বলো সাগরিকা, বলো।
স্যার ওখানে অপশন থাকে এসবিআইপি আর আইএসপি তে হিন্দি আর ইংলিশ,
বাংলা থাকে না, সেটাই আমি
না
বলছি, অপশন
বাংলা
থাকে।
থাকে না, তবে আইপিএসপি হতে ওরা বাংলায় কিছু কোশ্চেন করেছিল, কিন্তু এসবিআই তে করে না, ওখানে
এসবিআই
হিন্দি আর
তে
ইংলিশ
করে না,
অপশন থাকে।
বাট এটা আমার পার্সোনাল থিঙ্কিং, Shomadip, I'm not going into that debate that whether a person who speaks well he is considered a barbaric or not. I'm not going into that debate. Our point is that even I did not make this practice that we need to speak in English and all. I mean, this is prevalent. And my objective of this session is also not to make you forget the vernacular language. In fact, I am proud of my mother tongue also. And as I told you in my afternoon conversation, I prefer speaking Hindi. I love Hindi as much as I love English. But কিছু কিছু এক্সামে, কিছু কিছু পরীক্ষা এরকম আছে যেখানে ভার্নাকুলার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটাকে খুব বেশি এনকারেজ করা হয় না। If you are going to be an administrator.
That is fine, sir. That is fine. I'm getting back to my question. I'm also not here to enter that kind of debate, sir. My question is that was, sir, আপনি আমাকে একটু এটা গাইড করুন যে পার্সোনালিটি ডেভেলপমেন্ট এমন কিভাবে করবো যাতে না প্রেজেন্টিং কি যে কোনো মানে প্লিজিং পার্সোনালিটি, and like some of the students said earlier also, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের সাথে পার্সোনালিটি কিভাবে ক্লাব করবো সেটাই আমার প্রশ্ন।
Sir,
Thank you.
I can answer him in 2 minutes if you permit, and also it will be
Go ahead, Siddharth.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So
Go ahead.
I'm telling from my personal experience. Until my college life, I was a very shy guy, and I used to speak a lot. Once I get a little comfortable, I used to speak a lot. I was never an active listener. But I noticed that because of this trait of mine, I'm not able to make friends. I'm alienating myself from people. Then I started to listen more and speak less. I started to think little more before speaking. Okay, I started to retrospect basically. And because of this trait, there is also human psychology, human sociology. So my acceptance became much more. People wanted to talk to me for longer. It's not like they're trying to avoid me. So my acceptance ratio, everything became better. And because of this, in an organization, they check on these parameters along with personality, the communication skills.
Correct, absolutely. Personality is obviously part of the communication, but again, problem, Shomadip, is not with the language but with our preconceived notion. আমরা আগেই ধরে নিই যে যেই ছেলেটি বা মেয়েটি ভালো মতন করে স্পষ্টভাবে সাবলীলভাবে জিনিসটাকে ইংলিশে বোঝাতে পারছে না, he probably does not have. So that is a preconceived notion which we cannot fight and we shouldn't fight also. I mean, no one is fighting actually. You were also just proving one point, which is quite valid. And your answer to the question, Shomudip, could be the next this, like we say, posture, head motion, facial expression, eye contact, gesture. So this we can combine with the personality. And honestly, I would tell you a particular thing that a person, a husband doesn't know about his wife after 25 years of marriage. Bill Gates couldn't figure out the personality of Melinda Gates. So it's very difficult to figure the personality in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, right? If I'm not thoroughly mistaken.
Correct.
So and personality is sum total of multiple factors, intrinsic factors, your background, your upbringing, how you think and perceive, which cannot be changed, but it has something to do with communication,
It can
like
be
facial
groomed.
expression. It can be groomed. It cannot be changed. It can be groomed, but it cannot be altered altogether. And it's like a homeopathy medicine, Shomodip, which can only be altered with the passage of time. If we try to push someone to the extent, he will fall off the cliff, which happens in IITs and IIMs. Why do people commit suicide? Because they are forced beyond limit. অন্তরা কিছু
স্যার
জিজ্ঞেস করছিলে, বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Go ahead.
বলছি স্যার মানে আমি ধরুন মানে স্পোকেনের ব্যাপারটা মানে কোনো একটা কিছু আমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করা হলো ওই মুহূর্তে ইংরেজিতে মানে গুছিয়ে বলতে যেটা হচ্ছে যে মানে দেরি হয়ে যাচ্ছে তাতে অনেকটা সময় যাচ্ছে যে কারণে আমি বাংলায় কমিউনিকেট করছি এই মুহূর্তে। তো স্যার আমরা বাড়িতে মানে এটা তো স্যার একটা ক্লাস ধরুন উইকলি আমরা একটা করে ক্লাস পাচ্ছি আপনি আমাদের সাহায্য করছেন যাতে আমরা নিজেদেরকে প্রকাশ করতে পারি। আমি বলতে চাই স্যার বাড়িতে যদি আমরা একটু একটু করে নিজেরা ইমপ্রুভ করার চেষ্টা করি তাহলে আমরা নিজেরা কি করব যেটা যেটা মানে আমাদের এই ক্লাসটার সঙ্গে আরেকটু হেল্প করবে, আমরা পারবো আরেকটু এগোতে, এটা জিজ্ঞাসা করছি স্যার।
I will give you some assignments, Antara. কয়েকটা assignments আমি দেব. On the basis of those assignments, you can practically develop yourself. First of all, if we talk about communication, communication is the sum total of what we think on mind and then we translate into language. তোমরা যদি prehistoric civilization আজ থেকে 1000 বছর আগে দেখো, people first used to write as an inscription. They did not have any language. Then suddenly some language started developing in some part of the world. Then suddenly some people accepted the language. Namely Bangla Bhasha, it changes district to district, district to district. It happens with all the languages. So whatever you are thinking, just write a diary at the end of the day. Antara. Whatever is happening with you. Problem is in the lockdown, nothing is happening with us. We all are confined to our homes. For one
সেম
second.
প্রবলেমটা আমার ক্ষেত্রেও হচ্ছে, মানে আগেও হয়েছে প্লাস এট প্রেজেন্টও হয় আর কি মাঝে মাঝে।
Whereas you are a very good communicator, Ritu. Specifically Ritu and Anuprati, I will single out. তোমরা যখন descriptive writings লেখো, that is excellent. That is in fact outstanding. But what happens
বাট
is that
দ্য প্রবলেম ইজ মানে ফ্লুয়েন্ট ইংলিশটা তো কখনো সেইভাবে বলিনি, মানে বাংলা যখন যেমন আর কি সবসময় কথা বলি সেটা তো আলাদা করে আর কি শিখতে হয়নি, কিন্তু বাট ইংলিশে যা আপনি যা বলছেন বা বাকিরা সবাই যা বলছে সেটা আমি সবই বুঝতে পারছি, আমার কিছু বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না। বাট যেহেতু ফ্লুয়েন্টলি ইংলিশ বলার হ্যাবিটটা নেই সেই কারণে আমার কমিউনিকেট করতে অসুবিধা হয়।
কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। Obviously যেটা বাংলা communication বলতে প্রথম দিন প্রবলেম হয়েছে, since you have been speaking, so it became spontaneous and it became very easy. তাই তো ঋতু? Same with English. That is why I will divide this batch into two halves, where some of you who have difficulty in communicating, you will communicate and you will put forward your thoughts and ideas. I will give you one topic. Okay? Antara, if needed, we can have discussion twice in a week also. You will communicate on that topic in the class itself. Don't worry about the recording, whether you're communicating bad, whether you're communicating words, whether you're communicating anything which is not acceptable, let it be. But please be sure, since most of you do my grammar classes, please be sure that it should be grammatically correct. Forget about the words. काफी सारी चीजों का ध्यान हम एक साथ नहीं दे सकते।
Sir,
पहले हम
sorry to
Yes.
interrupt. I have faced this issue personally, and have found a solution more or less. So if you permit, I would like to discuss that.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Previously, I had this same issue. I was a very shy guy, very introvert. So I never spoke and never spoke in English. In fact, during my school life, the principal used to announce in the assembly, whoever speaks in vernacular language, 500 rupees fine. And we used to say, like, the principal has gone mad. Okay.
Even during our army school days, I remember there were 10 rupee fine for speaking a Bengali word. I do remember. Yes. Go
So,
ahead.
yeah, so that time we used to take it in the wrong way. Okay, that why is he saying like that? It's like he's imposing things on us. He's trying to mint money. So I was very bad. I will tell you my fact. I was so bad. I used to fumble in English, and after class 10, I came to Bangalore for my plus 2. There, I saw 7-year-old kids speaking very fluent English. Okay, just because the parents were speaking in English to him since the childhood, and the child started speaking English, broken English, but with confidence. Bad grammar, okay, incorrect sentence construction, terrible vocabulary. Instead of at in, instead of in the sentences, but he used to speak, and that slowly corrections were going on by his parents, by his friends. That's what how things developed. I also did the same. I just didn't think how I'm speaking. Let it be. Let people make fun of me.
Yes, yes, yes.
If anyone used to demote me, if anyone used to mock at me, I used to simply ask one thing: Were you perfect since the beginning? Just one small question, and he
Very
would
well.
understand what I'm saying. And
Sir, in my opinion, I can say that the more we listen, the more we will be fluent
not
in the
only
English.
listen, you have to
Not only
speak.
that, Gaurav.
But
You
Uh,
have
it
to
plays
speak.
a very
You have
important
to
role.
speak.
Siddhant, can I add two words? Siddhant, can I add two words? If you allow me?
Shomadip,
Yes.
just a moment. Shomadip and Gaurav, I would beg to differ. Gaurav, I am a very, very poor listener. Honestly, even after being a very successful teacher, I'm a very poor listener. But it's not about listening most of the times. Yes, but Shomadip and Siddhant, I will just add one more line, then I will come back. Listening does help. I did learn the different nuances of speaking English listening to Harsha Bhogle's commentary. He is one of the finest commentators I've seen in the Indian sports fraternity. But at the same time, whatever you're listening, that you have to practice, that you have to speak, whatever you're listening.
So
Yes,
by
Shomodip.
listening, we can understand the language pattern, the
Yeah.
flow, how
Uh,
they are talking with each the people.
But you will forget. If you listen 100%, you can remember only 5%. But if you speak, that 5% enhances to 25%.
But if you surround yourself
Gaurav,
only
let me
with
tell you one
English,
thing, if you allow
then
me.
it will help. Yeah,
Gaurav
yeah,
ji, if
sure,
you allow
sure.
me. What we listen, we remember 10%. What we see, we remember 20%. What we listen and see, we remember 50%. And
Correct.
what we listen, see, and try to speak, at least, like Sir said in the very beginning, attentively, to listen, see, and try to memorize it, 70%. Still, there's a gap of 30%. So, if, like, coming back to Antura, right? The lady
Yes,
who
on
asked the
Sawal
question.
Antara Karta. Yes.
Ma'am, like I heard, sir, if you let me speak, allow me to speak, sir. If I say,
Yes,
sir,
yes. Yes, go ahead, please.
thank you. Antaraji, one thing I would say, like Siddhant very correctly said, that you, like, speaking is all about what you, like, since the inception of your educational career, or since the very inception of your life, what you hear, that it, like, to some extent, that is it gets recorded in your mind and you speak. So, like you said, one point, I would say, like you said, that আমি তো বাংলায় কথা বলি, ইংলিশ আমি সব বুঝতে পারছি, তো বলতে পারছি। You go to London, you see a beggar begging in English. आप लंदन जाओगे, आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाओगे, अमेरिका जाओगे, वहां पे भिखारी भी गिटार लेके बैठा है, वो आपसे ये नहीं बोलेगा अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दो. He will say, leave some dough behind, bro, in the can, something like that. क्योंकि वो बचपन से जब तो इंग्लिश सर, इफ यू अलाउ मी सर, आई विल कंटिन्यू जस्ट फॉर 30 more seconds. So हमारे, मैं मैं मेरा पॉइंट तो वही था कहने का, कि आपको अगर इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेशन में ऐसा नहीं कि दिक्कत है, और इंग्लिश सबसे इजी लैंग्वेज है सीखने के लिए कंपेयर टू हिंदी,
Correct.
क्योंकि इसमें सेम फॉर्मल, सेमी फॉर्मल, हिंदी में 3 है स्टैंड, बंगाली में 3 है, तुमी, आपकी, तुई, सेमी फॉर्मल, फॉर्मल, फॉर्मल. इंग्लिश में कुछ नहीं है, कोई
You.
जेंडर इशू नहीं है. हाँ तो मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब वही है कि इफ यू थिंक इन इंग्लिश, हम लोगों को एक टेंडेंसी रहता है बंगालीज को कि फर्स्ट वी थिंक इन बंगाली देन ट्रांसलेटेड इंग्लिश एंड देन वी एंड अप विद 1000 ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स। हम पहले बांग्ला में सोचते हैं आज के दिनটা খুব সুন্দর, the day is very good, we say like this. So I will prefer that you think it in English as like you are understanding everything. आप इंग्लिश में सोचो और इंग्लिश में बोलो, ऐसा नहीं कि पहले बांग्लाয় ভাবলাম তারপর ইংলিশে ট্রান্সলেট করে বলতে গেলে কিছুই হলো না। That is my point. Thank you, sir. Thank you for allowing me to speak.
Sir, I was not finished. Can I continue for a minute or two?
Yes. Complete.
Yes.
I mean, whenever you're adding, just one thing, whenever you're adding inputs, you don't have to take permission. You can speak out because this is actually adding on to, see, most of the students in this class, they have heard me, right?
Yes.
But here, rather than me speaking, it's your experience which will matter. Yes, Siddhant.
Yes. This is totally my personal experience and how I became better. So I passed out my college in 2015, and till then my English was bad. In fact, I couldn't understand the American accent. I couldn't understand English movies without subtitles. Now I can not only understand American accent, I can also understand Australian accent and British accent equally good. This people can do in Hindi and Bengali. आप राजस्थान वाला हिंदी, दिल्ली वाला हिंदी, बंगाल वाला हिंदी समझ पाओगे, लेकिन इंग्लिश आपको समझने में दिक्कत होता है अलग अलग जगह का, बिकॉज आपका वो फ्लुएंसी एंड अटेंशन, ठीक है, एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन उस लेवल तक नहीं पहुंचा है, ठीक है। जब आपका वो पहुंच जाएगा, इट मीन्स योर इंग्लिश स्किल्स and understanding listening skills has improved when you can understand multiple dialects and accents. Okay, so that had happened जब मैं in 2017-18, 2 years, and before that also I used to watch only English videos, English movies, and I used to watch like 4-5 hours of YouTube of different categories of my interest like technology, pragmatic videos and all. But along with that, what I did, I was staying in Siliguri at that time, so people used to talk to me in Hindi. But what I used to do, I used to force and reply myself in English. Some used to be happy, they used to continue in English. Some used to ask, क्या अंग्रेज बन रहा है, ठीक है, क्या तू अंग्रेजी में क्यों बात कर रहा है? Then I used to ask, see, if the other person could speak English, I simply used to first politely used to tell, I am more comfortable in English, I like the language. Then if still someone did not take interest, I used to simply ask one thing, भाई तेरे को इंग्लिश में दिक्कत हो रहा तो मैं हिंदी भी जानता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तेरा कंफर्ट आना चाहिए बस. Then people used to understand that yes, he is correct. In Hindi or Bengali, we have reached kind of a saturation level. अब हम लोग हिंदी बंगाली और ज़्यादा बोलेंगे, मैक्सिमम हम लोग का थोड़ा वोकेबलरी इंप्रूव होगा, हम लोग का अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड स्पीकिंग स्किल्स जितना इंप्रूव होना था हो चुका हिंदी और बंगाली में, लेकिन इंग्लिश में वी आर लाइक नॉट इवन 10% ऑफ दैट. So it's better.
Sir, I would like to add something.
Go
Sorry
ahead.
for interrupting.
Go ahead.
Sir, if we say like what Siddhant Bhaiya is saying, if I continue, if a friend of mine or someone's mother, my friend's mother, I'm talking to her in English, and she literally doesn't know a bit of English also.
No.
And
Only
I'm
with
like,
people
just
who
for
know.
my improvement.
Only with people who know. Of course, I am not
No,
that. I'm not a barbarian, right? It's like my friend knows. He was my college mate. Then only I initiate that.
See, actually,
but if like Antara Didi, I don't know if she's Didi or not, but I'm just telling, if Antara Didi is not comfortable in English and I'm forcing her to say English, that is so rude.
No.
I feel so.
I'm not. See. If I'm a college graduate, I had few classmates, right? I had few neighbors. I had few cousins. I know how much they know English, but they don't speak. Okay. So in
see,
that scenario,
point is, Siddhant, I will cut you short. See, point is, যেটা শ্রীময়ী তুমি বললে, see, no one is asking you to communicate just for the sake of communicating in English with your neighbors, with your relatives. I, in fact, tried once with my father. He said that keep your English outside the house, otherwise I will throw you out of the house.
Exactly.
Of course, he spoke in a kidding manner. I mean, he was not serious. In fact, sometimes when I end up fighting with my parents, I end up fighting in English. It happens. Anyway, on a serious note,
একটা কথা বলবো তো তুমি আমাকে বলতে দাও একটা কথা।
yes, Shubhodip.
সিময়, আমি একটা কথা
Yes,
খালি বল।
yes.
হ্যাঁ, দাদা বলতে পারো সমুদ্রদা।
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ, আমি বলবো তোমাকে, দেখো তুমি তো নিশ্চয়ই মানে মানে স্কুলে তো ইংলিশ পড়েছো,
হ্যাঁ অবভিয়াসলি।
সারা জীবন মানে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
প্রথম
হ্যাঁ
থেকে পড়েছো একদম, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
তুমি আমার তো মানে এবার তুমি বলো বাংলা ব্যাকরণ আর
হ্যাঁ
ইংলিশ
হ্যাঁ
গ্রামার কোনটা ইজি? ফার্স্ট তুমি আমাকে বলো,
অবভিয়াসলি ইংলিশ, অবভিয়াসলি ইংলিশ,
ঠিক কিনা?
কোনো কথাই হবে না। লাইক
তাহলে তুমি আমাকে একটা ছোট্ট কথা বলো শ্রীময়ী বোন আমার, একটা কথা তুমি আমাকে বলো, আজকে যদি আমার তো সারা জীবনে মানে বাংলায় সমাস সন্ধি এই সেই এত কিছু, তারপরেও যখন আমরা বাংলা বলি মানে ইটসেলফ বাংলা ভাষাটা কিন্তু খুব শক্ত ইংরেজি ভাষার থেকে।
অবভিয়াসলি, বাট
তালব্যস্বর,
কেউ যদি বাংলায় কমফোর্টেবল হয়,
চন্দ্রবিন্দু, হসন্ত, কত কিছু আছে, আছে
In
তো?
fact, Shomundeep, I will interrupt you. In fact, Anubrati, Ritu, and Antura, you were there in today's descriptive class. আজকে একটা বাংলা টু ইংলিশ ট্রান্সলেশন আমরা করছিলাম, and I do admit I'm not very good in Bengali. Many of you are probably. We faced huge difficulty, তাই তো অন্তরা?
Actually, sir, that was a novel from Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, Shrikant.
Anyway, when it's a
So
language, it's a language.
it's difficult actually, but if you go for Shakespeare, that will be difficult in English also. It's
Correct.
not
আমি একটা কথা বলবো
important that
তোমাকে অন্তরা এখানে।
grammar is easy or not. That's why you are taking a language as your vernacular. That's the wrong concept, I believe. It's not the right thing.
True.
আমি এটার সঙ্গে এগ্রি করছি, একদমই ঠিক।
Okay, fair enough.
just the thing is, we practice, we are just we are coping up with a particular language from childhood, na? So that's the thing. It is not this is tough, this is easy. Bengali is easy for some people, so for some people it's English.
Point is that you need
আমরা
to
যখন বাংলা
need to
বলি,
learn languages.
সেটাই ব্যাপার। আমরা যেমন এরকম তো আরো কতগুলো ভার্নাকুলার তামিল, তেলেগু বা কিছু, তো
In fact-
সেখানেও নিশ্চয়ই এরকম গ্রামার থাকবে, ব্যাকরণ থাকবে।
Absolutely, Tamil is
তারা তো
toughest
স্যার
language on
বাংলা
earth.
যখন বলি অতটাও তোমার আমরা গ্রামারটা ইউজ করি না, তো এবার
Now getting
ইংলিশের
back to the
ক্ষেত্রেও
point,
যদি
the
আমরা
third one.
ভুল
Shomundeep, hang on,
কোনো
hang on.
problem
Shomundeep,
হয়
hang
না।
on.
Go ahead.
We will not stretch it further. Tamil is the second toughest language on earth that is being spoken of. Hang on, the point is which is easy, which is not tough. Let it be like that way. I mean, I find Hindi more easy than English, honestly, being an English teacher, because I love Hindi the most. So Rishi, Richika, you will agree कि आप लोगों का हिंदी मदर टंग है, लेकिन उतना शब्दकोश नहीं है कुछ जगह पे जब हम यूज करते हैं क्लास में, है ना? कुछ शब्दों का समावेश नहीं होता है. So anyway, my point is, देखो अनुब्रति, रिचिका and Ritu, যে প্রবলেমটা তোমরা মেইনলি ফেস করছো, I hope I'm audible to everyone. We have to first start communicating. Whatever it happens, for example, we will do a SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. I have made a Google Classroom. Many of you have added, got yourself added. You can share there as well as you can share to me if you feel like that others should not see that, because I am the role of a facilitator as a mentor here, so I will have to take care that you end up speaking. So whatever the entire day's experience, like Siddhant Shomundeep was saying, that more you speak, more you gain the confidence. So you have to share your experience, not by writing, but by communicating, right? I know, Ritu, you can write very well. Anubrati, you can write very well. Antara, তুমি লিখতে
So
পারবে।
in fact,
But
they
it's
write better than me. I can't write that good. I'm telling the fact.
I can't write at all.
In fact, I would be very honest, Anubrati and Ritu writes splendidly. They write absolutely. I mean, I was a bit surprised when Ritu was feeling a bit anxious about speaking. Same about Anubrati, though they can write really well. They write they know the nuances of grammar. So for both of you, it's not about the grammar, right? Anubrati, Ritu, Antura, because you do well in English. It's all about presenting your ideas. তো যেটা তোমার মনে আসছে, you have to think in that and you have to
অ্যাকচুয়ালি স্যার রাইটিং, যেটা ক্রিয়েটিভ রাইটিং বলুন, রাইটিং স্কিলের সাথে তো আমি অনেকদিন ধরে হ্যাবিচুয়েটেড, বাট কমিউনিকেট করার সময়
That was my
সেইটাতে
point,
যেহেতু আমি
actually.
হ্যাবিচুয়েটেড নই,
হ্যাঁ।
এটাই আমার মেন প্রবলেম। বাট আমার ইংলিশ বুঝতে বা অন্য কিছু আমার বলতেই যা প্রবলেম, বুঝতে বা যা মানে আপনি প্লাস আরো বাকিরা যা কিছু বলছে, আমার কোনো কিছু বুঝতে কোনো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে না।
Exactly. That
Then-
was the point. The more you practice, the more you
That
become
was
better.
the point, actually. Yeah, exactly.
So
Exactly.
all of us, even if it's a broken English, there is no one to judge here. So you start communicating, because if you don't communicate here, outside world, they are the greatest judge. They judge on every perspective, whether it's good, bad, ugly. But here, Even if it's ugly, it will get better. It will probably get best, probably. So these are certain body languages which we combine with personality. Some of you have given the interviews, like Sagarika has given 2 interviews recently. Gaurav, you are going to face an interview when you are actually appearing for IELTS rather. So these are
স্যার
certain. Bolo.
স্যার বলছি আমি সাগরিকা কে বলবো, আমি জানি না, আমি ওকে কোনোদিনও দেখিনি, তো বড় কিছু তো সেটা আমি বলতে পারবো না। ওর ইন্টারভিউর এক্সপিরিয়েন্স বা আরো যারা আমাদের ব্যাচ থেকে ইন্টারভিউ ফেস করেছে তারা
We
যদি
will
তাদের
have on
ইন্টারভিউ
succeeding days, don't worry. We'll have on succeeding days. That is why it's a 3.5 months course. We'll have. Slowly we'll have everything. This is just an introductory session today. Okay. I mean, otherwise it will stretch till 12 o'clock today. Okay. So, Ekdom hobe Antara. So this is just what we are going to learn in the coming days. That is the basic what we are actually doing. So non-verbal communication of body language, interview experience to Shagurika share করবে নিশ্চয়ই। Non-verbal communication of body language like ways of talking, posture, appearance, head movements, hand movements, body contact, closeness, I mean, smiling. You must have seen camouflage smiles the air hostess do, like this, right? Some people end up laughing. See, you have to be your own self. সবকিছু শেখানো যায় না, সবকিছু শেখানো উচিত না, সবকিছু আমাদের চেঞ্জও করা উচিত। We cannot change everything, and we should not also change. That is the sum total of personality, which Shomati you asked, right? There are different body languages which denotes different things. Like when you are actually holding your hands like this, right? Or you are actually holding your hands with fist, that denotes you're having a complex personality. That denotes that you are trying to shield something. কিছু লোকানোর চেষ্টা করছো তোমরা।
Getting yourself in a
Yes. So written communication, many of you do possess that. We do practice that in descriptive class. That is something I won't be focusing too much. Rishi, Ritu, Sagarika, Richika, Shiuli, Tanvita, Srimoy, সবাই আমার descriptive class করেছো। Spellings, grammar. We don't have to focus on accent, but trust me, written is difficult than verbal. It is recorded. Verbal, we end up speaking and then we forget it. On any day, I will say offline class is easier to take an online class. I can say anything in offline, people may not notice. But online, when it's recorded, you have to be very, very meticulous about that. Same way, তোমরা কঠিন জিনিসটা পারো, তো ইজি জিনিসটা শেখা খুব সহজ। ঋতু লেখা কিন্তু কঠিন। Trust me, most people, we have to write an article on the advantages of lockdown. Many people will think twice. But I can tell you, Richika, Antora, Ritu, all of you can write it within 10 minutes. Right, Ritu? এখন practice হয়ে গেছে. Same with the communication. So just
হ্যাঁ
this
স্যার,
is
প্র্যাকটিস তো হয়েছে। মানে আপনি যে কমপ্লিমেন্ট দিচ্ছেন যে ভালো লিখি, এটা হয়তো মানে আমি যখন স্টার্ট করেছিলাম লেখা, মানে শুধু আপনার ক্লাসে বলবো না, মানে আমি যখন একদম ডে ওয়ানে এই রাইটিং স্কিল স্টার্ট করেছিলাম, তখনও তো এত ভালো পারতাম না। তখনও এরকম ব্রোকেন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইউজ করতাম বা প্রচুর মানে এরর থাকতো, এরকম থাকতো,
you answered
গ্রামাটিক্যাল মিস্টেক।
your question. That is what we wanted to tell you. That is what me, Siddhant, and Shomati was trying to tell.
Same you have to do in speaking.
got your point, Ritu, you got your point. Absolutely got your point. ইংরেজি ভাষাতে কথা বলবে, আয়নার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে কথা বলবে নিজের সাথে। আয়নায় যাকে দেখছো সেটা তোমার ধরে নেবে 2 নাম্বার 2। ইংলিশেতে কথা বলবে, দেখবে যে অনেক সোজা ভাষা থাকে। সেটাই আমি তখন বলতে গেছিলাম, আই ওয়াজ ইন্টারাপ্টেড। অনেক সোজা ভাষা, and any other Indian language under the sun, right? With Tamil, Telugu, Tulu, Oriya, Bengali, Punjabi. Thank you.
And trust me, Ritu, when I'm saying that you write well, that means you actually write well, because I have checked your answer scripts and that I look after the every part: punctuation, accent. In written, of course, there is no accent. Sorry, punctuation, spelling, contextually, how much you're writing. So those are the things I've written. Good visual presentation. I mean, these are the presentation skills. These things will come later on. The physical, oral, electronic, those things will come later on. That is, of course, required in corporate jobs, not required for you at the right this time itself. So this is the success. Success is a definition of different persons for different people. For me, I would be more happy and success if I'm able to train more number of people on earth. For some people, success would be equivalent to the amount of currency they are earning. For some people, like Sonu Sood, I will give an example. The more amount of happiness he's bringing on the in the life of the persons, that is the definition of success. But here success depends on presenting your ideas in the appropriate manner, and feedback. Feedback is really important when you are actually speaking out. You need to understand. That is why when we will have classes, most of you should be switching on your videos at least 10% of the time, so that we can understand that you are able to code it. Next class, first thing which we will start with, we'll start with your introduction, like your name, about your parents, about your background, about your academic qualifications. Where do you see yourself 10 years or 5 years or 3 years down the line? Your strengths, your weaknesses, and please do a SWOT analysis. That is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat of your life. That way we can start on to that. বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So that is basically what I wanted to say. And then you have the professional ethics.
Sir, opportunity and threat, can you explain that one?
Yes. For example, if you are a good presenter, if you have a good communication skill, be it any language, or if you're a person who is very much productive in his work, so you will get more opportunities in life, you'll be more successful. The more assignments you will get in your work life, directly proportional to your pay, promotion, etc., etc. Threat are your everyone is a threat at this point of time. Your own you yourself is a threat if you don't perform well, right? Means we can be, for example, I will say our threat, our mind is the greatest threat. Paradise Lost, John Milton, তোমরা পড়েছো হয়তো বা শুনেছো, so we can make heaven of a hell and hell of a heaven. For example, this COVID situation, some people are making heaven of this hell, some people are making hell of this hell, like this. Just an arbitrary example. Threat are your competitors, Shriman, at any point of time. For example, you're studying BSc Agriculture, when you will sit for placements in the 4th year, so your competitors are your classmates. Those are your threats. External factors, unemployment, insecurity, volatile market, these are threats. Srimay, বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Okay, sir. হ্যাঁ।
So that is what, with this we come to the end of the presentation. So the moral of the story is we have to speak without thinking what others will believe or others will think. ऐसे भी कहा जाता है कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, हमेशा कहते हैं, no matter how well I teach, there would be people who will say sir doesn't teach well, but I don't care, when you know that you are doing justice to yourself, isn't it? So I hope I've been able to instill confidence. That was the bottom line of today's session. So, and Shomodeep and Siddhant has added points. Shayoni, শুনতে পেরেছো, বুঝতে পেরেছো? শিউলি, তন্বিতা,
सर
Yes, sir.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे का ना एक फनी टेक भी है कि
अच्छा।
अंबानी का शादी में भी जो आए थे किसी ने कुछ ना कुछ नुक्स निकाला ही होगा.
True. So, Richika, you joined a bit late, probably from in between. So, next day I will start the introduction. অন্তর আমি তোমাকে দিয়ে শুরু করব, ঠিক আছে? তুমি পুরো জিনিসটা বাংলা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দেবে, তারপর পুরো জিনিসটা ইংলিশ ইন্ট্রোডাকশন, ঠিক আছে? Most of you now, the point is communication, then we will couple up with this personality. That is why I told you, Shomodeep, there would be two batch, one for the learners and one for the advanced people.
sir, thank
Fair
you.
enough?
Thank you very much.
সাগরিকা, কোনো প্রশ্ন এখন অবধি?
No, sir.
তো পরের ক্লাস আমি বলে দেবো what are the things we will do, and since I will, those of you who will continue with the session, I will add you. I've already made a separate group. I will give you the task. What are the things that you are supposed to do? Do that. I can assure you that you will come out of shell. আগে নিজেকে এক্সপ্রেস করতে হবে, তারপর তো কমিউনিকেশন will obviously, and then we will have topic discussion. I will give you one topic, like Gaurav, it is being asked, and IELTS was saying one topic I will give you randomly, like let's say the India's largest vaccination drive in the entire world. We are proud that we have been able to vaccinate more people in this span of time, no matter whatever people say. So, what are your takes on that? Positive, negative? Just think about that, and you'll have to just put thoughts into ideas. ঠিক আছে? তো প্রথমত ঋতু, যখন তুমি লিখতে তখন যেমনি কেউ জাজ করেনি, এখনো কেউ জাজ করবে না। এটা তো তুমি মানছো, জুলাই মাসে যখন তুমি লিখতে তার থেকে অনেক ইমপ্রুভ হয়েছে লাস্ট 7-8 মাসে। তো তখন তোমাকে যেমনি ভুলগুলো ধরে দেওয়া হয়েছিল, এখনো ভুলগুলো ধরে দেওয়া হবে। জাস্ট হ্যাভ টু পুট দ্যাট ইনটু আইডিয়াস। ঠিক আছে? চলো দেন।
Sir,
ইয়েস।
sometimes we can also hold brainstorming sessions. That might be
We will.
beneficial.
We will. Yes. We will have GDs also, group discussions, and we'll have the
So
different.
I have one more concept, if you like to add. Like intentionally, I've personally seen. I've never broken up, but in interviews, that interviewer, like you being from HR background, I myself being from HR background, and like role plays you are saying that they knowingly insult you. They try to break your nerve. They knowingly insult you, try to break your nerve, and if your nerve is broken, then after taking so many preparations, after doing so many things, you end up in a mess. That is the point, sir. With my
Those are actually stressful interviews. There are
yeah,
three types of interviews which
no,
happen.
if like no, I was just eavesdropping when some other people were saying, like in IBPS, SBI. So I've seen things happen, sir. So if we can practice that also, it will be helpful. Maybe not for me and Siddharth, but for other students in the.
Shomudev, don't worry about that. I have a very bad reputation of preparing candidates for the stressful interview. कुछ लोग जो पहले से जानते हैं, when I used to prepare in different organizations or different competitive coaching institutes like Career Power and all, mock interviews, I and one of my colleagues, Vijay sir, we used to ask questions specifically to girls to such a manner they used to get up outside the room crying. Sir, এরম কেন প্রশ্ন করে? But in the final interview, most of the times it was joyful. But obviously, I will definitely look into that stressful
Just because
situation.
I had Antara or some, just I'm sharing my thoughts, sir. অন্তরা কি স্যার আমি 6 বছর ধরে ট্রাই করছি সামথিং লাইক দ্যাট বাট আমার কিভাবে আমি আমাকে ইমপ্রুভ করব সো দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াট ইট ইজ মানে ইফ ইউ গো টু আ স্ট্রেস ইন্টারভিউ ইউ নো হোয়াট কোয়েশ্চেনস মে কাম আপন দে অলরেডি প্রিপেয়ার্ড and in that manner you can fight the stuff.
You can also add to that, Shomadip. We one day we both of us can sit in the panel and then ask questions and grill on Tara. But for that to happen, she has to
No,
first
sir.
speak out.
I'm a novice in front of me. I'm a novice in front of
No,
me.
no, no, no,
God
nothing.
is not front of me. That's a different answer. Thank you.
For that to happen, অন্তরা আগে আমরা কথা বলে দেখি তারপরে কি বলছে অন্তরা বুঝতে পেরেছো তো তোমাকে আমরা কিরকম করে কাঁদাবো so that will happen but আগে আমরা হাসানোর চেষ্টা করি অন্তরাকে so let her first speak out then we will ask you stressful questions and all that will happen সাগরিকা খানিকটা ফেস করেছে এটা ইন্টারভিউতে I think
স্যার আমার ইনফোসিসেও হয়েছিল মানে কন্টিনিউয়াসলি আমাকে ইনসাল্ট করে গেছে
আচ্ছা আফটার বিসিএস তাই তো
ইয়েস স্যার মানে আমার এই কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলের জন্য মানে আমি অনেকগুলো ইন্টারভিউ দিয়েছি মানে টিসিএস উইপ্রো ইনফোসিস মানে কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলসের জন্য আমি পাইনি
ঠিক আছে চলো we had a good session what I intended for we will try to keep it on Saturday every evening we'll start a bit early so that it can complete up by 10 we will start at 7:30 or 8 for that matter and one specific day Saturday evening another day can be Sunday or any of the days of the week since we are most of us in lockdown we can have classes on weekends so that we can have sessions on that so bottom line is I will try my best but here you have to try your best as well Rahul Dravid did not make Shubman Gill made himself honestly so I will try to be Dronacharya but you have to be Arjun so that we can be good together ठीक है
Sure.
चलो on that day let's call it a day thank you everyone stay safe and keep praying that all of us stay safe and come across this disaster
Yes.
good night thank you so much for your
থ্যাংক
participation
ইউ স্যার
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.